Hey there guys, and today what we're going to be talking about is the Medo VNT-7 Vent Fresh Air Freshener Sticks. Yes, and this is the strawberry flavored. Now, these are kind of, they're air fresheners that you put into your car. What they do is they just kind of, give you a fragrance. Makes your car smell good. Yeah, and what it is it looks kind of like if you see with girls, they have like hair barrettes. This is what it kind of looks like. You could probably use this for that and just go around smelling like strawberries. This is the strawberry flavored. I mean, not flavored, but the scented. It actually smells really good. It smells very sweet. Yeah, and well, how it works is, see, I have one in here already. This is it. And all you do is you take this, there's a clamp on the back right here. Kind of holds the stick in place when you put it in, and you slide it in. It goes very simply. You just push it in like that, and then that's it. It's done. Freshens the car. I usually, when I use it, I used to like that. It's enough. With one, you kind of barely smell it, and in the pack, you get a pack of 4. I mean, and I kind of like strawberries, kind of sweet. So yeah, I mean, it works pretty good. Thing is with these, in my opinion, when you use these, they last probably say about maybe a week or 2. Yeah, in between that time before you have to change them. I'm not sure on the average time these kind of air fresheners are supposed to last, if that's normal or not. It doesn't last very long, and that's okay. I mean, these are very inexpensive. It smells really good, and it kind of does what it's supposed to do. Yeah. Now this fits in there. Fits in just about any kind of event that has like a line. Even the ones that are like vertical like this or horizontal. It works on both. Like, you have to worry about it not fitting in your car somehow, unless you have some kind of fancy automobile that just, no one else has. It's just a big hole right there, and it's just, whatever. But yeah, these come in different fragrances also. It's not just strawberry. So, and the strawberry scent, it smells good. It smells like a candy type of strawberry. So it's not like an air freshener type of strawberry. It's a little different. I mean, in my opinion, it is anyway. Candy type of strawberry is, to me, like if you open up some bubble gum that is strawberry flavored. That's how this smells. It smells like candy that you would like to eat, kind of thing, sweet, or like if you smelled some Kool-Aid or something. Yeah, it's good. It's really, it smells pretty good. Kids would love it. My when I put this in the car, and my kid driving with me, and they haven't smelled this for a while, they really like it a lot. They think it's very sweet, and they a lot of times think they smell candy. Like, where's the candy, Dad? And I'm like, no, it's just this. I don't have any candy for you. Yeah, so like I said, these are very inexpensive, and they work very well. I've been using them for probably about maybe 2 months, Yeah, because I really like my car to smell good. Like I said, it doesn't last for that long, so I kind of buy them on and off, when I can get around to it and remember. It's not bad. Kind of a simple little device that does the job. Looks like a hair barrette for girls. Yeah, it's really good. I mean, when you first look at it, I mean, in the store, and you see it, and it looks like you would want, like, show this whole thing, like this whole thing would be something that you would look at. But most of this is hidden, like there. See, it's hidden inside your car, so you don't even see all of this. So it just looks very decorative to not see more of it. All right, well, that is the Medo VNT-7 Vent Fresh Air Freshener Sticks. Yeah, the strawberry flavored. I hope you guys enjoyed this and use this information. I will talk to you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.